Sorry, go on.
Go on.
No, go on. No, I insist.
Style Council, Maria Smythe Barlow.
I'll tell you what, I've got to say this. One of her friends that was there, a blonde-haired girl, she said she absolutely loves the show, mate. She says she buzzes off us.
Yeah, she actually came over to me and was quite tearful. The next request is actually for Jennifer and her daughter Tegan. Remember a few weeks back, she was about her daughter's test results, and now I said her dad would be on her shoulder. Anyway, she got the results back, and she got the results that she wanted.
Well, that's absolutely
so
brilliant.
That's fantastic. So well done, Tegan.
Yes.
Told you your dad would be looking after you and over your shoulder, and he'll be there for the rest of your life. And to you as well, Jen. You know he's with you every single step of the way. And thanks for your kind words that you came over and spoke about.
Yeah, it really does mean a lot, doesn't it, mate?
Well, I mean, we're just Salford humble guys, mate. We're just what we are, aren't we? We know, what we are is what we are. And if we can put a smile on somebody's face doing this,
then so be it.
We'll do it. Also today, mate, some real sad news. You know, joking apart, we like a laugh and a joke. Our great friend Ryan Wilde, part of Cinnamon Dinner, who were absolutely fantastic on Saturday, wasn't
he?
Absolutely top.
All the acts was brilliant.
Yeah.
It was all brilliant.
They're gone to another level now, aren't they?
Yeah, they have moved up that league.
Just his news reaching us that his mum's been really, really poorly. Sadly, she passed away a couple of hours ago. He's a great lad, Ryan. So we're just thinking of you, mate, and all your family.
Yeah.
And God bless your mum. Hope she rests in peace. And we're going to play this especially for Mrs. Wilde, for Ryan's mum, and for Jennifer and Tegan and for Mike. And obviously it's a bit of a sad song, this, mate, and it's a really poignant song. And it's a bit of Mike and the Mechanics and the Living Years.
Every generation blames the one before, and all of their frustrations come beating on your door. I know that I'm a prisoner to all my father held so dear. I know that I'm a hostage to all his hopes and fears. I just wish I could have told him in the living years. Oh, crumpled bits of paper filled with imperfect thoughts, still to conversations. I'm afraid that's all we've got. You say you just don't see it. He says it's perfect sense. You just can't get agreement in this present tense. We all talk a different language, talking in defense. Say it loud. Say it loud. Say oh, say clear. You can listen as well as you hear. It's too late. It's too late when we die. Oh, when we die. We don't see. when my father passed away. Didn't get to tell him all the things I had to say. Think I caught his spirit later that same year. I'm sure I heard his echo in my baby's newborn tears. I just wish I could have told him in the living years. So say it, say it, say it loud. Say it, no, say it clear. As well as you hear. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late when we die. We don't see eye to eye. So say it, say it, say it loud. Say it loud. Say it. Come on, say it clear. Don't give up. Don't give in. And don't look back till it's too late.
That was the sound of Paul Carrick on lead vocals and Mike and the Mechanics and The Living Years. Especially going out to Ryan and all his family at this sad time, and also a special request for Jenny and for Tegan. Right, mate, moving on to 1986 and a bit of the Pretenders. Doc Masood needs bringing down a peg or two, mate.
Why? What's happening, mate?
He asked for the River of Dreams by Billy Joel. It's 1993, Doc.
Right.
It's an
this
80s
is
show,
called-
Doc.
It's called Archie's 80s Classics, not Archie's 90s Classics.
So we've not got that in for you, Doc. We can't put it in because it's 90. So I've put a bit. I'll tell you what. I'll dedicate this to Dr. Masood at Go to Doc.
Yes.
And this is a bit of the Pretenders. And don't get me wrong, like you got it wrong, Doc.
Get me wrong, but I'm looking kinda dazzled. I see neon lights wherever you are.
was the presenters, don't get me wrong, and like I say, I know we're coming to the end of the show again, mate, but I'd like to thank everyone who turned up, but most of all, I'd like to thank you, mate. You was a real hero on the night.
It was one of the best crowds I've not been DJ because I got duffed up, didn't I, at Presswich.
Did you what?
Yeah. Oh, some idiot.
Shank music.
Some idiot punched me because I'd not played his tune. So that's the first gig I've done, really. So it just.
What's since then?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you get back on the road, mate?
So it was really, really a good crowd. You know, we were still going. I didn't go to bed.
Did you not?
No, I was in work at 5 o'clock. I didn't get home till 2:45.
Unofficially, I left there at 2 o'clock. Now, I don't know what time I went on to, but I've got a funny feeling it was about 25 past 4.
Oh, it was, I had to give it and also a big shout out to Anna and Michael behind the bar.
Mike,
they got a bit of shit, didn't they?
Yeah,
they got a little bit of shit,
you
know, and it was absolutely hammered in there.
Well, that's why I got up on the mic and said, don't insult the bar stuff.
No, so thanks, Anna, because you looked after me as well. You kept coming over, asking was I okay, and did I want drinks, and did I want any help when I was packing up.
That's me.
Oh, she did ask me, mate.
You know what I mean? A bit of favouritism there.
Looking after the DJ,
looking after the DJ, get the right music on.
And I think Mike commented something about he'd not seen the dog rocking so much, so...
Yeah, it was. You really got it going, mate.
It was good, so So you've still got 2 checks to present, haven't we?
No, we've got 3 actually.
Still
we've got
3 to present.
We've got Salford Reds Foundation.
We mentioned them, haven't we?
We've got CDH UK, and we've also got Shelter for Forces. So hopefully Saturday night we'll get them all in there and give them all the cash once we get the rest of it in.
So get down to the dog as well, because it might be a few surprising faces in there.
Yes, that you might know that play at the AJ Bell, but I'm not supposed to say anything.
So there might be a few down there. So
might get me mate down, Justin.
Justin Carney.
You are the love of my life, oh Justin Carney.
Let's leave it.
You can bang my wife, oh Justin Carney.
Right, moving on to the last one, mate. This is a special request from my mate at work.
Who?
Kevin. He took over my job as a van driver.
Did he?
But he's more lazier than me, mate.
Give over.
Honestly,
honestly,
you can make a monkey do that. That's why I've gone up in the world now. Yeah. I'm a colour technician.
But you're not the main coloured person, are you?
Grade 3, Pat. You can't say that now.
What?
You can't say the main coloured person.
You're not the main coloured person.
No, that's Alison. She's the main woman in there.
She's main
So
colour.
this is for grade 2. Kevin the van driver. He's not in a grade 2.
What's the grade 2? Do you have all different grades?
Grade 3. Yeah. A monkey could drive the van and deliver. That's what it means, mate. So this is going out for you, Mr. Hamilton.